अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सो टुडे इज़ माय फर्स्ट व्लॉग और मैं जाना चाह रही हूँ कुछ अच्छे से खुद से बाय करने एंड फॉर दैट आई हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट इन कराची, जो कि बड़ा मुश्किल है। बट क्योंकि कराची का कल्चर नहीं है खुद से फ्रॉम मुल्तान एंड लाहौर, बट समहाउ आई जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट, सो लेट्स गो। Now I'm taking a round turn and it's just straight over there. It's located in the Clifton. तो मैं आप लोगों को वहीं लेके जा रही हूँ ताकि आपको भी पता हो कि आप कहाँ से बाय कर सकते हैं। There is a Agha supermarket. This used to be there. Unfortunately अब वो रही नहीं है, तो कोई मसला नहीं है, हम उसके पीछे जा रहे हैं वैसे बाय द वे। So this is just behind Agha supermarket and Bindaut. You all know that Bindaut is located in Clifton. इसके बिल्कुल साथ ही वो शॉप है। Assalamualaikum. So right now I am at that place. This shop's name is Nida Shoes, and we are going to cover it and we are going to get the latest, all the latest kursas and collar puri. Come in, let's go in. So these are their all hot sailings, beautiful kursas they have. You can see they got a zari work there, hand printing, all the hand embroideries, everything is all there. So we are going to try. This is all the gota work. You can see this is all the handworks done. This is another one they have. Beautiful kursa. You can see. They're right. We are going to try each and everything, but see how beautiful it is made. It's all gota and handwork. The multicolors are there. And we can go for another one. These are the zaris ones. See, these all the zari ones available. You can go and cover it with the other one too. Okay, so I'm also wearing their collar puri from last year and it's still safe, but I'm going to try something new for you guys. Let's come in. So these are their tie and dyes gota work. Let's try this one. How beautiful this looks like. See, it's perfect and fits so well. And the best part of kusa is there's no right and left, so you can try it on any of your foot. This is another color they have. Lovely. This is all the gota work they are doing. Beautiful one. See, they got all the beautiful colors in it. And I'm going to try this kundan one. This is one of the most popular and the famous one. I think this is best for the weddings or even if the Eid is coming up. So you guys can try this one on Eid too. This looks really beautiful. Let's try another one. They have this one too. This is the crystal made kursas and beautiful. It looks amazing. See how lovely, and they got every color. They got nudes, they got black, and you can try these ones. How soft are these? And you're walking, you just doesn't feel uncomfortable in this. So they are so comfortable kursas. I can try the collar puri too. And can you see how beautiful these are? These are the collar puris of zari, and the best part of these collar puris are they are all leather, pure leather. See how beautiful these are. I'm just trying this one. This is looks so nice. It's shocking pink. Lovely. It's look beautiful on my foot. Every size is there. You can place them order on WhatsApp. You can place them order through me. Lovely. They got all the colors there. Green, black, yellow. All the beautiful colors are there. See the black ones look so nice. And then we can go for this one. Yellow. Perfect for the mayo. If somebody is there, bride, who wants it to wear on the mayo day, perfect for the mayo. Beautiful. Another one I want to try. This is their latest collar puri. It looks beautiful. Can you see how beautiful it is made? How lovely is this? See? Perfect. Perfect. Achha. And they got some little heel outside there, and you can try, and this gives you a more height while wearing this. So this is not absolute flat. It's got a little heel over there. It's lovely. It's looking perfect. And we got a hand paint one too. How beautiful are these? Just say the hand paint one. This is the perfect one. This is the perfect one. See, you can place them, any of them, and it's each and every piece is so soft, very soft, and all the pure leather work is there. You can see the softness, perfect. Love the kursas, love the collar puri, everything is amazing. So these are all their latest ones. Can you see the colors? How beautiful colors they have. Silver, red, all the sizes are there. Blue, beige, black, beautiful. And these are all the crystal ones are available there. Gota ones are there. Amazing. Each and every piece seems look beautiful. How beautiful is this one? Can you see they got a beads work and some shisha work? Lovely. This looks lovely. And the best part of their kursas are they're way too soft. It doesn't feel like kursa actually. Beautiful. Lovely. Perfect. So I will be placing their WhatsApp number. You can just place them all on WhatsApp and they can deliver you wherever you like to. Or you can just contact me or contact my team to get them. अच्छा अमेजिंग मजे की बात यह है कि यहाँ तो मर्दों के भी अवेलेबल हैं. Beautiful. Can you see how decent and how elegant they have? Wow, lovely. They got all the men's collection as well in the collar puri, in the kursas. You can see these are all the collar kursas there for the men. And then they got a collar puri as well for the men. See how lovely are these. And the best part of this, they got a very pure leather in it. Secondly, you can also get a Peshawari chappal which is on the top of it. You can see them. Lovely.